What's up, you guys? Glenn with Old School Millennial. Today I'm going to be working on my driveway with my Kioti 2610 hydrostat. Before I get started, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Kioti Tractor. The reason that I felt comfortable partnering with Kioti Tractor is I've already used this tractor a lot over the last couple of years. I've experienced how it works, and I feel confident in this product. This is my drive. We've got some curves, and this hill spot is going to be the hardest. So first, I'm going to be using my box blade to rip up the driveway using the ripping teeth on the box blade. Then I'm going to be using crushed concrete to fill in all the low spots where the rock is just washed away. Finally, I'll be using the 1-inch limestone as a topper on top of that. Then a couple months from now, I plan on using recycled asphalt to put on top of that, and that's going to be the finish to my driveway. All right, you guys, this is the more or less finished copy. I do have a little bit more smoothing out to do. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about Kioti tractor and my experience with them, put them down in the comments. And if you have any questions particularly about this tractor, the 2610 hydrostat, put them down in the comments. I'd be happy to tell you my experience. Until next time, you guys, get outside and do something you love.